At Cortexica, we've developed a proprietary vision solution inspired by the brain that is able to provide visual search such that our customers can submit query images and be able to accurately return the top matching results and also sort them by similarity. I explore technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality, IoT, edge computing, deep learning, high performance computing, and all of these technologies can greatly improve the performance of manufacturing companies by upgrading their machines, by upgrading their technology and applying novel solutions that can minimize the costs and maximize the production efficiency. The industry collaborations are vital for us because we can bring great benefit to these companies. We are able to iterate extremely fast. We visit these companies, we identify the solution, then we return and solve the problem for them. Because we are a small company, a reasonably small company of around 50 people, we're able to solve this problem extremely fast and then iterate yet again. If something needs to be changed, we are very flexible and we're really enjoying this process. We work with the GSK, we're working with Jaguar, and we hope to have more partners in the future.